Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to today's live decoding session for BankNifty futures. Today is Tuesday, 11th of July 2023. The current time is 9:09 a.m. IST, and let me just quickly share my screen. And first, let me start with the context and what has happened yesterday. Okay, so overall, what I am seeing is that supply is definitely in. Supply or the sellers, they have came in, and first of all, we were in a 4-day balance. We have a good spike. This is the all-time high, for Bank Nifty futures. So we were in a 4-day balance, and currently the value is developing below the 4-day balance low. So overall, the inventory is short. The sellers are pretty much seen in the current auction. And yesterday, there was this gap which got filled, and then we had a sort of a balancing. So what I'm seeing is I'm seeing two balances. This is not a double distribution, but I'm seeing two balances. And for me, the 45,000 is the level, and it's a big round number, right? So a lot of big players would be keeping a close watch to this 45,000 level. And even if I look at the OI data, right, a lot of call positions have been written yesterday, and there is a big open interest, seen about the pending orders at 45,000 level. Okay, but more or less, this is the balance which I'll be looking at. So for me, the 45,000 and 45,800 or the previous day's low, and we also have got sort of a poor low. So I'm expecting price to move lower and at least tag the point of control and see the reaction at 44,600, because that's where we have an excess. Plus, we also have a gap. Yeah, so a lot of anomalies seen. So the pre-open data is out, and what we are opening is we are opening sort of in yesterday's range. So 45,000 is the area which I'll be looking at. So 44,998 or 137 points up, right? So 45,000 is the zone, where the auction will open. So there are trapped buyers present above the 45,000 line. So as the auction is opening up, right, I'm expecting responsive selling coming up, and so auction is going to open and see the choppiness between 45,000 and 45,842. So this is a choppy range. This is the zone where supply is shut off. This is the zone where supply came in. Yeah, so we are in a very tight range, and that's where I'm expecting the price to come in. Now if I look at the order flow, what I am seeing is we have got trapped seller and an area where there is a trapped buyer. Okay, and if I move the chart a bit up, so I'm expecting supply to come in again at previous day's VWAP. So let me just remove this and let me add my anchored VWAP. Okay, so 45,000 is the area where I'm expecting choppiness. So this is the zone where I'm expecting supply to come in, and this is also the area where the 45,000 level is, and also the previous day's VWAP is. Okay, so I'm expecting responsive selling at 45,000 or at the T+2 close. Overall inventory is short. Pre-open inventory is long, but overall inventory is short. This is the pre-open this is the previous day's VWAP, and this is where again I'm expecting supply to come in. So this is a 10-second chart, and this is a 3-minute chart. Yeah, so the auction will open in next a minute, but yeah, in the meantime, if you have got any questions, do let me know. And there are 3 liquidity zones, so there are 3 stops which I'm seeing present, and I'm expecting supply to clear this, and then do we get a look above and fill, or do we get look above and continue? Yeah, so that is gonna be the overall trade plan, right at the open. Okay, so the auction will open in next 45 seconds. So in the meantime, if you have any questions, yeah, do ping me, do let me know, or else we will just wait for the auction to open and see where the price reacts. Okay, So overall inventory is short. So yeah, let's see where the auction opens and how it develops. Okay, so the auction has opened and we are taking out this liquidity, and this is again at previous day's open. I am seeing supply coming in at the VHVN. So this is the VWAP, this is the VHVN, this is another VHVN and area. That's where supply is coming in. So I'll just zoom in a bit to the 10-second chart. So there is supply present at this particular level. Let me reload this chart. Okay, so it has taken out the liquidity here, and it is just hovering around this range. Let me just zoom in and look at the data. So good number of buying came in, still no clarity. Delta is positive and we are developing around the value area, this particular VHVN, and expecting continuation higher. So let it go higher, that's fine. The next level where I'm looking at is D period high, and what is happening at this particular zone. Okay, so we have this is a T+2 low. This is T+2 low. I'm just waiting for the first 3 minutes to close. So some supply is coming in now. So there is a seller it just went away. Okay, so we have taken that one area where there were trapped buyers. It is continuously moving higher. That is fine. Let it move higher. Some supply coming in. Yeah, I'll just close this. So 45,146 is the zone, which I need to observe. And that's where also there is a stop at this level. Okay, so some good buying coming in. This is a short covering move. So who is buying here is nothing but the trap short. So basically who are trapped below here, they are the ones, who are currently buying the current auction. Okay. So there is some sort of price stability seen, and we are seeing buyers shutting off at 45,100 level. So this is the 45,100 level where exactly to the tick is where the buying is shutting off. Okay, so the levels are coming in now, and I'm expecting supply to come in. We have got trapped buyers here also. I'm seeing the same thing, trapped buyers. So 45,100, there is a seller at 45,100. Okay, and good trapped buying seen now. Now let me just move here. So we are moving to the range where previously there was a seller seen and we saw a rejection. Okay, but there was a good area where there were trapped, or this is where the trapped shorts are there. So I'm expecting continuation higher, and I'm looking for the price to move towards the D period high. Yeah, let it move higher is what I'm expecting. This level I'm looking to break. Overall, the current inventory is long. It is developing above previous day's close, and I'm looking for buyers to push hard. We have got good 1.6k in just 3 or 4 minutes in the auction. 4 minutes to be precise. Okay, so continue. I'm expecting continuation higher, and this is where I'm expecting some reaction. Failure for price to move higher, right? So 45,100 is the zone where exactly to the tick. So this is a behavior where algos or big players who is selling at 45,100 or who is buying at 45,100? Yeah. So there are certain stops present at this particular level. Okay, so we are seeing continuation now. And I missed looking or entering the call trade, but anyways, that's fine. And the reason is I'm talking to you guys in live, right? So I'm focused more on observing this rather than executing trades. So this is the zone, where I'm expecting some supply to come in and react. Today is also FinNifty expiry, right? Yeah, so we are having good trapped buyers. Come on, I want the price to move higher. Okay, supply coming in at the first standard deviation. We are still trading within previous day's balance. Okay, let me open the chart. So supply is coming in, but I'm expecting this to be broken and tag because there are stops at 45,140. So there is some profit booking happening. Okay, so what we are seeing is at value area high is where I'm expecting again supply to come in. So now it is developing higher. The call premiums are not moving, so it's pretty stabilized. Now they have started to move. And let me look at OI. So we have crossed the 45,000 line. So yeah, I'm expecting continuation higher. Again, trapped buyers seen here from this green bubble or green dot. Yes, continue to move higher. Okay, continue to move higher. So the VHVN has also moved up. So this is a positive sign. And now good buying is coming in. So price, I'm expecting price to move higher. Now it is failing from the VHVN. So this should act as a level of resistance now. Nope. Yep, it is acting as a level of resistance, and see the reaction coming in of supply. So what we have is trapped buyer 1, trapped buyer 2, good buyers 3. Yeah, so these are the three levels, of. So it is just going to bounce in this, develop in this range. Yeah. So what I'm expecting is price to move up, clear the stops around 45, 160, 140 to 160, and then price to move lower. But currently I'm seeing that this is a resistance level, and supply is coming in, and we can have a mean reversion trade towards VWAP. But before that, there is going to be supply getting absorbed at this level and at this level. Yeah, so no trades yet. I'm just watching the auction. I've not taken any trades, and yeah, this is the overall funds which I have in my trading account. Okay, so we are gonna be chopping now. So let this broken or let this level to be broken. So this is a support zone, this is a resistance zone, so we are trading in a small range. Okay, and I'm expecting some buying coming in at VWAP. Okay, so 45,100 is tagged and supply is shutting off, but I'm not taking a call trade because people who are trapped here, right, they will be the one who will be adding supply, and I'm seeing call premiums are not moving more frequently. Yeah, now they have started to move. So it has crossed this zone. So I have taken a call trade at 351 and my SL got hit. Yeah, so this was the first trade. That's why I was a bit careful. I have kept a 7-point SL, and again I was looking for supply to come in. So that's why this was just a test trade. Supply is definitely present, but yeah, this is the first trade where I'm seeing supply again coming in. I have taken a put trade now, and the reason is I'm expecting supply to come in at this level. And the put trade worked out, but my trailing SL got hit. So I entered at 275 and my trailing SL got hit at 277.25. It was at 279, but as I'm executing at market orders, so the put trade did work out. Okay. So price is not moving above this level, and this is also the point of control of the current 30-minute candle. Yeah, and now I'm expecting, so 45,100 is breaking now, and I'm expecting some supply to shut off at VWAP. And this is trading at 290. But anyways, that's fine. Okay, so now I'm looking for continuation lower because this level is broken and this level is broken, right? So this is going to be the resistance level. This is where at the half back is where you might see some absorption and some choppiness. Yeah, but I am now short biased. I'm looking to see the reaction at VWAP and at this VHVN and also 45,100. So from the OI data, 45,000, it is nearing to 45,000 and it is acting as support. So price should move above this and tag this level, so it is developing above. Yes, supply is seen now. You see, this is what I was looking for, and I missed again executing the trade. Yeah, that's fine. So yeah, it is working, developing as per my understanding. So this was a good trade of 10 points scalping. Now we are developing lower. I'm looking at this. So there is supply at 45,100 and I'm looking to see if it goes towards current open and T+2 close. Okay, so we are in a choppy zone, so just wait and watch. What I'm expecting is buying to again come in and take out this particular stops which are built at this level. Okay, so I have taken just 2 trades. Overall, I am in a loss. So this is my loss, and now the price is moving lower. Okay, and there is absorption of supply seen. So 45,000 has broken on spot. Now it's too late to enter a put trade now. I'm just watching. So we have got good trapped buyers, trap buyers, trap buyers. So we've got three zones, 1, 2, and 3. So zone 1, so again it is choppiness, it is chopping. So if it moves higher, supply is going to come in. So currently they are holding the auction up. They are trying to balance it. Yes, price is moving higher. So there is a rejection at VWAP seen. But supply is moving higher. I'm waiting for continuation lower. It is not doing that. There is a seller above VWAP now. So price is going to move higher. And 45,100 is the zone where I'm expecting again supply to come in. There is a seller at VWAP. We are still hovering within previous day's range. Yeah, so it is going to be choppy. Just be careful. VHVN has moved down. So I have taken a put trade. My buying price is at 302, 45,200 put. And I'm looking for this halfback to be broken and price to move lower. My stop loss is 295. Okay, it is just chopping in this range. Yeah. I'm just managing my trade. Yep, my SL got hit. Yeah. So this was the third trade, 302 to 298, and overall I'm in a loss. Okay, so it is not breaking this zone. So the market generated information is telling me that we are okay. Now it is developing lower. Yeah, so I think I need to work on my stops. Okay, so it is just chopping in this range. So it might happen that we will just be chopping and chopping and chopping, yeah. But overall, we are currently opening above the previous month's high, right? So that is a bullish sign. We are going to retest the VWAP. There is supply present at 45.89. It is moving lower. The put premiums are not moving. That's a bit not good. Okay, so now I just have to wait and watch. I have taken overall 3 trades. 1 was a call and 2 was a put. Okay, and overall I am in a loss. We are not breaking this level, yeah, so that is giving me a hint that supply is not strong enough. It's gonna move higher and price is gonna move lower, moving higher, moving lower. It is just chopping in this small range of 45,100 to 45.60, yeah. So wait for either, I'm waiting for the low to be broken or the high to be broken, or I'm observing the reaction at this level, because this is a strong resistance level. And also there was front running seen at 45,100. Okay, so we are just chopping, we are just ranging, and I had taken 3 trades, and now I'm waiting for 45, the reaction at this level, and also at 45,100, because I can, if this level sustains, then we should see continuation lower. If this level does not sustain, then we might see continuation till 45,146. Yeah, so we are just chopping in this range. Again, I need to relook at my stop loss, because even the 7-point SL is getting hit, and my PE, it is now, see, it is at 336, 330. Yeah, so conviction was right. It's just that I need to work on my overall managing the trades and risk. Yeah, so I missed a trade. Again, that is fine, and see the price now dropping, or auction dropping and the price rising, right? So anyways, I missed that. That's perfectly fine. Now I'll wait for the next opportunity. Okay, so let me see if there are any questions. No questions yet. Okay, so now what I'm looking at is reaction at 45.58 and this level, because this is an immediate resistance and this is a strong resistance. So we are, and if you see, we just tagged the previous day's VWAP, and price is, so supply is getting absorbed. Okay, so thank you once again. Do like, share, subscribe, and also my Telegram channel is also live, so you can join me there. Okay, thank you, take care, and bye for now.